ewo etifido mantemu Osei community na womo afahya ya womo etadie Kisi Harvest Festival na mpanifo enya mfinhia no nko a duasia ennan eno na moso mayemanfo ho no matumi ahya hofa enya semketo
Udi wani twemu ewo epoye mantemu Bongo district krefre honum se Osei community ewo panima bosomene da etosodumiensa na yedamemnenda ena womo edi 164th Kisi Harvest Festival and Thanksgiving no ehye so ewo St Joseph Catholic Church na sa dwumadie edi nkabom ne odosronko ena brade hya wom ewo honum wode asedansem koye edi ma twedi amponyankopon se wahwe atonsupa edi egu wonfudie so ne sitiriw eni atoko a won twaye ewafi emu na wochese nyankopon na nkwoso Anthony supa fangu wonfudie esose de be ya brano ne brano no obetimi enya bi na wodi bimpo abo afode eno namso ema eye planning committee chairman ya wasori no emu onimonyamfo Moses Amoro ayisoba ekasaya na wochese obetrese abane ne wona wonsem ewo bi betwa wani da behwe won se de be ya asori dan awom ewo mo betimi kukuru ne kase pa edie so nanu susu atimi abo na hyekrodua no enimonyam say ena onimonyamfo Moses Amoro ayisoba edeto kantanka kwansosem enim.
The purpose of this year's harvest is to construct a new church. Our church has been there for a very long time, and we've seen that the church has now become very big, and there's the need for us to try and mobilize funds in order to get a new church. So, this one is to come back and then thank God for protecting you and guiding you throughout the year in your family already. But our main or the ultimate purpose is to construct the church for this particular year.
Nekasa no wachino ena Isaac ononso eye asoriba enso edi ensem sei eka ho.
Day is set aside every year after the harvest season to come to the presence of God, to thank him so much for having protected us throughout the farming season. So in this occasion like this, all the church members, whatever produce you harvested from your farm, you bring it to the church as a seed to say thank you for the harvest that you have yielded. It always starts from 1st May, which is our patron feast day, St. Joseph the Worker Feast Day, where we come together to thank God for his patronship over the years. On this occasion, the church members come with their seeds and their farming tools to be blessed before we can take them to the farm. So on this occasion, like December like this, we have finished our harvest and we are now coming to say thank you, Lord, for having protected us.